Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn to use Excel efficiently and straightforwardly. Today, we'll be looking at how to calculate discount percentages in Excel quickly and effortlessly. Let's get started. To calculate a discount percentage in Excel, first select the cell where you would like the answer to be displayed. On the Home tab, click the % Style button to format the cell as a percentage. To ensure that Excel displays the results as a percentage, including the % sign, use this method. Once the cell has been formatted appropriately, we can move on to writing the formula. To calculate the discounted percentage, type in the equal sign in cell D3 and divide the discounted price in C3 by the original price in B3, which is the price before the discount was applied. When we press Enter, we are presented with the first result, which states that the discounted price of €7 is 70% of the original price of €10. To work out the discount, we need to take away the percentage that has been calculated, 70%, from the total, 100%. To calculate the result, we need to subtract the first result from number 1. So, let's click into cell D3 and make adjustments to the original formula. Let's first wrap the first formula in opening and closing brackets. Lastly, we can add a number 1 followed by the minus symbol between the equals sign and the opening bracket. Then, press Enter. By purchasing the item at the discounted price of €7, you saved €3, 30%, from the original price of €10. If the price is discounted to €9, Excel will automatically update the discount percentage to 10% and display it in the corresponding cell. This formula is incredibly efficient, as it produces results instantly when any number is used. It is quick and straightforward to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.